casting is the pattern allowance. So the allowance is nothing but it is the extra size provided for the lessening process as well as the easy removal of the pattern from the mold cavity. So there are 5 types of pattern allowances available. The first one is shrinkage allowance. Machining allowance. Draft or taper allowance. Shaking allowance. And finally, distortion allowance. So the draft or taper allowance is provided to the pattern, the mold cavity, for easy removal of the pattern from the molding flask or mold cavity. Then the casting representation. By using the simple representation, I will explain about what are the casting process, what are the parts involved in the casting process. So this is the parting line. As already discussed, the upper part of the portion is called the cope. The lower portion is the drum. So this is the split piece type of pattern. Consider this is the simple representation of the casting process. So it is the pouring basin. So this is runner. It is called riser. So this portion is called gate. The gate is nothing but it is the opening of the mold cavity. So inside the gate, core is placed. The purpose of the use of the core is to create the hollow shaped products. So runner is the horizontal passage. From the pouring machine, we can pour the molded metal. So through the runner, it is entered into the mold cavity. This is mold cavity. The gate is nothing but it is the opening trough of the mold cavity. Here, the bottom of the runner, one part is pictured, that is strainer core. The function and the purpose of the strainer core is to withstand to support the runner due to the high temperature of the molten metal is pouring into the runner to withstand the high temperature as well as to protect from the oxidation process. The strainer core is used. So inside the mold cavity there are two important parts. One is the chills and the padding. So the chills and padding is used for the directional solidification process. So the runner is the vertical passage. The excess of molten metal comes out from the runner as well as it acts as a reservoir after the solidification process. This is the basic representation of the casting process. Again I will discuss one by one. It consists of two parts. The upper part is the cope, the lower part is the car. The parting line separates the two portions of the molding class. This whole component is called as the molding class. So the important parts are runner, riser, mold cavity, gate and the core, chills and the padding. We already discussed chills and padding is used for the directional solidification. Inside the mold cavity, the sheets available. The function of core sheet to support the core. Core means already discussed. It is used for making the hollow structure materials. So in this video lecture, we discussed about pattern allowances, why the pattern allowances provided for the molding cost as well as the simple representation of the molding cost and the casting parts. Thank you.